Hey, this is shovelheadffej, and once again I'm out in the shovelhead shed. If you're wondering why I am dressed like this, last night in Florida, it got down to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. That's very cold for Florida. It's too cold for me, man. But anyway, you'll probably hear wind noise and such like that. And if I can get through this without the chickens, appreciate it. The reason why I'm doing this introduction video is because I want to let everybody know that on Wednesdays and Fridays I will be uploading my videos. So I'll just stay on a regular schedule Wednesdays and Fridays. Today is Monday. We'll have a video on Wednesday. This is just a little freebie video. I happen to be at Bert's Black Widow in El Jabin, Florida, and he was having a little 5-year Halloween bash, and I happened to be there, had the camera, so I took a little bit of footage. It's not a very long one, but hey man, it's a freebie. It's not a part of my regular schedule. If on the weekends, if something cool comes up, then on Monday I'll upload. And I appreciate when you guys watch it. I appreciate when you guys comment. I appreciate when you guys give it the thumbs up. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Thank each and every one of you guys, man. This is like a dream come true. And if it wasn't for you guys, then, you know, my channel would be nothing. And I am very, very appreciative. This is a 2004 Deuce, Harley-Davidson, of course. I bought it not knowing how many miles was on it, not hearing it run, it has a lot of problems. My goal is to bring it back to life and to ride it. And I will do that. You'll see some more videos. In fact, Wednesday, if you watch the video, this one will be on the video. Appreciate it. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. And man, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, guys. Ride safe. You didn't hear no chickens, did you? See, I got the big brain.